here at PMRExpo at the booth of Sapura, and recently Sapura bought Teltronic. And one of the strengths of Teltronic is in the transport sector. And Felipe, can you tell us a little bit more about the transport sector here in Germany and the reason why you're here with your system?
The reason because we are here with the system is because we want to promote the Teltronic infrastructure in this new situation and in this market, because we believe that the proposal Teltronic can offer is very robust, very consistent, and a good opportunity for launch to the transport sector market in Germany, the kind of solution we have already deployed worldwide.
Okay, and there are still a lot of analog systems around here, is it?
Of course, in Germany, when all the systems, transport systems, was developed, it was a long time ago, and we think that is the opportunity to renew this kind of systems, because we are practically integrated with all the worldwide applicators in terms of ITS for tramways. We have a lot of experience in metro solutions. In general, mass transit in Germany is in a situation for renew the infrastructures, and we have a nice opportunity for propose to this kind of agencies, this kind of solutions that we have tested in worldwide.
Okay, that's quite interesting actually to understand, because you're one of the top manufacturers for public transport for TETRA systems, right? But also P25, but that's not what you're going to sell here in Europe, right?
Yeah, 95% of the time, the engineers like Sistra, like ION, in mass transit recommend TETRA. This is why the leader technology for mass transit is TETRA. Of course, this is what we have developed in countries like recently in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh Metro, in Mexico, Guadalajara Metro, in Monterrey. And at this moment we have closed a contract in Sydney, Australia for a tramway. We think that we have reproduced the same in Germany, because it's one of the important and economic markets in the world.
Yeah, and together with Sapura, you have great infrastructure from your side, with great terminals from the side of Sapura. So that's synergy, is it?
Completely energy. This new adventure is amazing for all of us. We are merging with a great effort, with a great illusion, and this complementarization you are mentioned before is perfect. We know that the nice and complete devices Sapura has and the Nebula Teltronic infrastructure is the perfect combination for supplying to the customers the best solution.
Well, and in order to come to that perfect fit, there is a lot of development to be done on that side. What kind of challenges did you have to overcome?
Yeah, of course, we have a lot of challenge in this market segment we are promoting here, the transport segment, because every project is different. We have standard products, but always we have to customize depending on the requirements, final requirements of the customer. And also, there are not other products like us in the market. We are leader in this segment because we have developed a very, very specific product complying with the hard railways certifications against shocks, vibrations, temperature. So we have a very robust equipment, and also with the functionalities that we have learned along the years, with all this experience that my colleague Felipe named. We have learned a lot about these projects and about the necessities of the customer. So our solution is specifically focused to this market, and we have to face to all these challenges along the development of the product.
And the product's now at the moment ready to be rolled out?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we have a lot of projects, and so we have experience, and we have a contact also with the main integrators and with the main train manufacturers. So we know very well the environment where we have to install the equipment, the protocols we have to develop. So our experience is great at this moment.
Okay, but development never stops.
Of course.
So what is next in the pipeline? Can you give us a little bit more information on that?
Well, as I said before, development never stops because every project in transport segment is different. So we have to adapt every time the racks and the solution of the control center to the necessity requirements of the customer. So the development is going on every time.
Excuse me, the key factor in this case is that our customers or the global integrators like Alstom, Siemens, Bombardier, Ansaldo meet us or find in us that we are tetra manufacturer, but we have the capacity to adapt our solution to the specific requirements. Mm-hmm. We integrate some part of the project, but also we manage from the beginning to the end the project. It means we preparing bid phase an engineering project and finance offer, and we manage from the beginning to the end the projects. This is the perfect combination between tetra manufacturers and management of the project for the final success of this kind of complex project.
Okay, well that is some very good, valuable information you gave it to us, and if I understand it very right, there's a lot of things to do here in Germany, and we're looking forward to see the implementations in the near future. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.